Hello! Hi kids! This is Ma'am Shiverna and this is Kalia. Today we're going to play with Kalia. This is Kalia's big burger. Now Kalia. And this is Kalia's friend, Bunny. Bunny, say good morning, children. Okay. Hi, children. Can you play with me? Can you play with me? Okay, let's play. Bunny, Kalia have a big burger. Bunny wants to eat the burger. And also, Ma'am Shivern going to eat a big burger. But look, oh, the burger is very happy face, smiling. Okay. Kalia, let's eat the burger. So yummy, but oh! Kalia stole get my burger. Oh my god. And now I'm going to Kalia have another toys like this. Oh, Kalia, where are you? Oh my god. Kalia hit my head. Kalia is oh my god. Look at Kalia. Oh, hit my head. She is happy. Oh my god. Stop it, Kalia. Stop it, Kalia. Stop it. Oh my god. And now, Kalia have a clay. Let's watch the clay of Kalia here. Don't be tired because we're going to dig. Here, oh. Dig, dig. Come here, Kalia. This is Kalia's clay. Look, oh. Ngit-ngit. Oh. Ngit-ngit. This is Kalia's clay. Anak lang. There. Why I help you? Look, I'm here, oh. It's so... No light, my camera. This is Kalia's clay. What happened? Come here, let's dig. Dig, dig, dig.
I'm so tired.
You're